Hey everybody, it's Julie. Thanks for joining me here today for some Bible journaling. I am using the August Faith Art Collection entitled Lamplight Faith, and I'm journaling in Isaiah chapter 9, verse 2, which reads, "The people who walked in darkness have seen a great light. Those who dwelt in a land of deep darkness, on them has light shone." This is that beautiful chapter that we quote always at Christmas time. For unto us a child is born, for unto us a son is given. That whole chapter, this prophesies of Jesus. And when Jesus spoke in John chapter 8 and said, "I am the light of the world," he was referring back to this verse. He was saying, "I am the prophesied Messiah," which was pretty bold in the eyes of others, of those who are listening. So I really wanted to journal this as we're talking about the light of the world, and the Word is the light. So what I'm doing here, I've used some Distress Oxide to blend. This is in Wild Honey. And I just used my blending brush, which is available in the Creative Retreat shop, and just kind of made a circle. And then I stamped the Bible at the bottom and the lamp post right there. And I did stamp the light inside of that lamp post in that same Wild Honey color. Now here I am pulling in the stamp set called Your Light. It is listed as a companion to this kit, but I just checked and it says it's sold out. She may be doing a restock, I'm not sure. But I liked the words "in the dark." Now, there is also a sticker, in the Faithfilled digitals that says "in the darkness." So you could use that. I am using some of the stickers. I'm using now the alpha tiles. And you notice that I'm building from the bottom up. That really helps me with my spacing. Here, when I place my letters, I start from the middle and work to either side. This helps me. I know that I want to start at the bottom, so I'm going to I want to end at the bottom of the page, so I start down there so that I can get enough space. Now, I just messed up. I tapped the page and then I moved the stamp, and so here is a way to fix it because I wasn't sure what I was going to do. So I pulled in one of those labels from the Faithfilled digitals, and now I'm using the sticker that is on the sticker sheet. But what you could do if you don't have a sticker is you can always stamp it again on some cardstock and then cut that out. But this works. I wasn't sure how I was going to fix it, but I used that label to kind of anchor this sticker for light. I want to make sure that I have my T on the page. That was what I kept messing with here, my placement. And then I still have some black lines that I'm going to work with, and you'll see how I fix that. Okay, so I placed that on there. And now I place a couple of other stickers. So my statement is saying, "Your word is a light that shines in the dark world." And I'm going to add just a few hearts. There's that little space in the middle, and it also has that black line. So I fixed the black line by using my white gel pen. It acts kind of like whiteout. But I still have that space, so I'm going to fill in with some of the little hearts. I don't have a lot left. I've actually, even though this is my first video that I'm posting here, I've done about 5 or 6 projects already with this kit and this collection. So I'm running on empty with my wonky heart stickers. I could have cut some out from the Faithfilled digitals, but I didn't have a lot of time. School starts this week, and I'm a teacher. So here I am taking that white gel pen and highlighting the word "world." I just want it to stand out. And I'm going to also, you'll see at the end, use that same white gel pen to highlight the lamp post. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I have that space above the word light. So I stamped the flame, that flicker of light that went inside the lamp post, and I stamped it on the sticker sheet so it makes kind of a ready sticker, and then I cut it out, and I'm going to stick that right there in that empty spot. And I think it works because it's coming out of the word light. So it's this light coming out of the word light. Light is Jesus. Jesus is the light of the world, and Jesus is the Word that became flesh. And that is spoken of in John chapter 1. And it says that Word is the light that shines in the darkness. And if we walk in Him, we are walking in light and not in the darkness. So this refers back again to this passage here in Isaiah, where it says, "People who walked in darkness have seen a great light." And this is Jesus. I love how the Old Testament points to Jesus. So you saw that I outlined all the different elements. I felt like that black lamppost and the text at the bottom and the Bible, it was very black, so I needed to outline the other elements to just kind of bring it all together. I outlined my passage that I had already highlighted with my zebra mildliner pen. Now I'm making a tab out of the pattern swatches. Now I've printed this on paper, so I'm going to also cut out a cardstock with my tab punch and then just put those together. I like using cardstock tabs. Paper, if I use that, it just gets bent up. So I'm placing that up at the top, and I'm also going to use that sticker that has the light bulb. And lots of times, that sticker has some stickiness on the back, so I used my powder tool to get rid of that adhesive. And I pulled in just some black washi tape. Lots of times I'll put some kind of word or reference on my label, on my tab up there, but I didn't. I just left it. I left some space, and I'm going to do some journaling off screen that talks about how this prophecy points to Jesus saying, "I am the light of the world," and then that points straight back. So there we go. That's a simple page, but a powerful message. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link all of the products that I've used in the description box, so check those out. Most of those are affiliate links. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.